I think one of the remarkable things about this event, that what I look forward to the most regards to it, is it shows all the local business support that happens in the community for Food for Lane County, which is magic. It's also a great advertisement for those local businesses, those vendors. So it's really a great collaboration and a coming together to support the community in something that's so important to all of us, which is access to food in an appropriate way. And so the time, the effort that the vendors provide for this is such a remarkable thing, and it's one of the two big key events that we do each year. And so it's really appreciative that the vendors do this, and the community, Eugene, Springfield, and Lane County come out to support this too. Because without the support of the local community as well, this wouldn't be possible.
So this year we are showcasing a piece of our future menu. We're working on several pop-ups in the future. First one is starting May, or it's actually our second one. And so we just wanted to bring our special menu to the public.
Oh, it's been awesome. I mean, it seems like everyone's in a great mood, and I'm stuffed of great food, so it's really been a great experience. It's great. I mean, Food for Lane County is an amazing organization, and I mean, just to see so many people here, like all the lines have been packed, so it's been great to see people enjoying themselves, but also helping the community at the same time.
This event is a great opportunity for restaurants to support the food bank because they get to showcase all of their restaurant skills and menu items and different things. Many of them do menu taste tests, and so they will create a bite that then becomes successful, and they can take it to their restaurant. But it's really a great chance for the restaurants to partner with us, and all of the money that is raised here this evening is put directly to our missions. So it helps feed our neighbors who can't otherwise put a good meal on their table.